Imagine if you could predict the market's next move just by recognizing a few simple shapes on a chart. Sounds like magic, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly कैसे आप ये कर सकते हो with the double tops, double bottoms, head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders and flag pattern. 5 powerful patterns जो आपकी ट्रेडिंग का secret weapon बन सकते हैं. Let's dive straight into it. First we have the double top, which looks like the letter M on a chart. ये एक strong uptrend के बाद बनता है जब प्राइस एक पीक पर पहुंचता है, थोड़ा पुल बैक करता है and then tries to hit the peak again but fails. When it drops below the neckline, that's your sign of a bearish reversal. Confusing? Let's take an example. Let's say a stock that's been on a strong uptrend. The price hits 500 rupees, pulls back to 470 rupees and then tries to retest 500 again but fails, forming a peak at 495 rupees. When the price drops below 470 rupees, that's your sign of a bearish reversal. It's as if the stock market tried twice to break through 500 rupees but couldn't, signaling that buyers are losing steam. It's all about market psychology. पहला पीक तब होता है जब buyers प्राइस को ऊपर पुश करते हैं but the sellers bring it down. दूसरा पीक एक रीटेस्ट होता है, buyers are trying again but they don't have the same strength. When the price drops below the neckline, it's like the market collectively saying we are done here. नेकलाइन यहाँ की होती है. ये वो लेवल होता है जो दो पीक्स के बीच के लो को कनेक्ट करता है. Once the price breaks below this line, it's a strong signal that the trend is reversing. But be careful, false breakouts भी हो सकते हैं, इसलिए confirmation का वेट करना क्रूशियल है. अब बात करते हैं डबल बॉटम्स की, जो डबल टॉप का एग्जैक्ट अपोजिट होता है. इट लुक्स लाइक द लेटर W एंड फॉर्म्स आफ्टर अ डाउन ट्रेंड. प्राइस एक लो को हिट करता है, थोड़ा बाउंस करता है और फिर से उस लो तक ड्रॉप करता है बिफोर राइजिंग. जब प्राइस नेकलाइन के ऊपर ब्रेक करता है तब ये बुलिश रिवर्सल का सिग्नल देता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट्स टेक अ स्टॉक व्हिच हैज बीन इन अ डाउन ट्रेंड. दिस टाइम इट डजंट गो एनी लोअर एंड व्हेन इट ब्रेक्स अबव 160 rupees, it signals a bullish reversal. The market has tested the 150 rupees level twice and decided it's strong enough to hold, so buyers step in. Here the market is testing the bottom twice. The first drop happens because sellers are in control. पर जब प्राइस दूसरी बार लोअर नहीं होती तो ये सिग्नल होता है कि sellers अपना मोमेंटम खो रहे हैं and buyers are ready to take over. When the price breaks above the neckline, it's like the market saying let's rally. Next we have the head and shoulder pattern. एक और रिवर्सल पैटर्न जो आपको मार्केट के डायरेक्शन के बारे में वैल्यूएबल इनसाइट दे सकता है. इट लुक्स लाइक अ पर्सन्स हेड विद शोल्डर्स ऑन बोथ साइड्स. ये एक अप ट्रेंड के बाद बनता है और सिग्नल करता है कि ट्रेंड रिवर्स होने वाला है. द पैटर्न कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 पीक्स, द लेफ्ट शोल्डर, हेड and right shoulder. The head is the highest peak, while the two shoulders are lower but similar in height. For example, let's say a stock is an uptrend. The price forms a peak of 300 rupees, then rises to 350 rupees before dipping to 300 again. It tries one more time to climb, but only reaches 320 rupees. When the price breaks below the neckline of 300 rupees, it signals a bearish reversal. The stock couldn't sustain its highs, indicating a potential downturn. जब प्राइस नेकलाइन जो दोनों शोल्डर के लोस को कनेक्ट करता है के नीचे ब्रेक करता है तब ये बेरिश रिवर्सल का सिग्नल देता है. अब बात करते हैं अगले ग्राफ पे, which is inverse head and shoulder pattern, जो head and shoulder pattern का एग्जैक्ट अपोजिट होता है. It forms after a downtrend and signals a potential bullish reversal. ये पैटर्न 3 थ्रू से बनता है, लेफ्ट शोल्डर, हेड एंड राइट शोल्डर. हेड सबसे लोएस्ट थ्रू होता है, while shoulders are higher but similar in depth. For example, let's consider a stock which has been trending downward. The price hits a low of 200 rupees, dips further to 180 rupees, and then rises slightly above before hitting 200 again. When the price breaks about 220 rupees, it's a bullish reversal signal. The stock has found a strong support level and buyers are ready to push it higher. जब प्राइस नेकलाइन के ऊपर ब्रेक करता है, it's a signal that the trend might be reversing upwards, indicating a good buying opportunity. Finally, let's discuss the flag pattern, a continuation pattern जो एक strong trend के बीच में pause को represent करता है. Imagine a flagpole. The consolidation phase is where price moves sideways or slightly against the prevailing trend. This pattern can form in both bullish and bearish markets. For example, let's say a stock surges from 50 rupees to 100 rupees and then consolidates between 90 rupees and 95 rupees, forming a flag. When the price breaks above 95 rupees, it signals that the uptrend will likely continue. The market took a breather and now the bulls are ready to push it even higher. Once the price breaks out from the flag formation in the direction of the previous trend, it's a signal that the trend is likely to continue. This pattern is great for traders looking to ride the trend further after the market takes a breather. Before we wrap up, चलिए कुछ common mistakes discuss करते हैं जो traders इन pattern के साथ करते हैं. One big mistake is jumping into a trade before the pattern is fully formed. Another, broader market context को ignore करना. For example, double tops और bottoms trending markets में best काम करते हैं, ना कि choppy या sideways market में. And remember, always wait for a confirmed breakout before making your move and always combine them with your own analysis techniques to make informed trading decisions. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more investing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.